Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting cricket update. Today, we are looking at the latest score from the first test match between Australia and Bangladesh being played in Darwin. As you can see on the scoreboard, Bangladesh have put up a huge first innings total of 426 runs. It has been a strong batting performance from Bangladesh, putting Australia under serious pressure in this test match. Australia have already started their second innings, but they are facing a difficult situation. The scoreboard shows Australia at 77 runs for the loss of 3 wickets after their first innings score of 198 runs. That means Australia are still 151 runs behind Bangladesh. At the moment, Australia are batting in their second innings, and the match is into day 3, session 3. With 3 wickets already down, the Australian batters will need to stay focused and build a strong partnership if they want to reduce the deficit and put themselves back into the contest. For Bangladesh, this is a very promising position. After scoring 426 runs, their bowlers now have the opportunity to put Australia under even more pressure and push for a strong result in this test. The next few sessions could be extremely important. Australia will be looking to survive, score runs, and take the game deeper, while Bangladesh will be hoping to take more wickets and move closer to victory. So this is the current match situation. Bangladesh 426, while Australia are 198 and 77 for 3, with Australia trailing by 151 runs. Stay connected for more cricket updates and live match action. Thanks for watching.